everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to say something about the new topic in the introduction to Azure Grammar under the analytics for everyone subjects. In the previous session, we saw something about the Google case and Amazon case, how these company got elevated with the support of the data-driven, and these two are the data-driven company and how they utilize the data and how it becomes an asset for the company. In this session, we are going to see something about the analytics value escalator, and this is all about, can you guess what is our this is all about the story. Yes, we are going to see about the story of the analytics value escalator of a popular company. And today's topic is about a company and how they used an value escalator and how it goes. Why we have to concentrate more on this is how different levels of analytics value escalator work and how the business practices and business strategies changed. Let us see that. Before that, I like to explain deeply about the value escalator. The first stage in the value escalator is, the first step is the descriptive analytics. Second one is diagnostic, predictive analytics, prescriptive, and artificial intelligence. If we want to apply higher in technology, obviously we need to extract, transform, and load more amount of data. So descriptive analytics may require within the data could be about a company, about the competitor, that's it. And when we are applying the artificial intelligence, big data are to be collected from different social medias and other means, and we want to make decisions, and obviously the level of difficulty for utilizing this tool and data gathering, and obviously it is and really a tedious process. Difficulty level is high, and if you generate the decisions out of this, obviously the value of the company is getting increased. So with this we will get into, can you guess what company it is? Yes, it's a General Electric. The company is General Electric, and it is founded more than 100 years ago. The thing is, why we want to look into that, right? From the descriptive to AI, this company have been applied in different stages in the different era, and they generated the value out of it. Let us see one by one. First period is transactional model. This happened in the years of 1980s and earlier. What they done is just they sell their product, and in addition to that they will sell their parts and services, that's it. So they done a business like this. Their major business is to sell their windmill to the company. So just here the transaction, buying and selling, happened in this period, and the company followed this was happening. And what happened in the other thing is, in the earlier 1990s to 2010, what they done is they were like guaranteed performance have been given by this company. Example, like partnering with the client to do the predictive maintenance. Once they buy their product windmill, immediately what this General Electric done is like immediately once in a while preventive maintenance are being indicated by them. All those supports are being given by the General Electrics and the buyer of this particular product. So here some contract happens between the windmill and the here the good relationship is being identified between the company and the client. It is a great thing that was happened in the 1990s to 2010. And also the company, what they didn't what they want to do is, in the earlier just they have a transactions, then later what they done is they want to create a customer based or customer relationship. Okay, let us check, are you familiar with the concept which I am taking? Let us have a small assessment in between this. And our first question is, does model concentrate on selling product with spare parts and service? Yeah, it's right. Transaction model. In the contractual model, they concentrated more on the relationship. What they done is they started to give the inputs regarding the preventive maintenance. So in this transaction model, they just sell their products along with that spare parts were given by them. The other third model is like General Electric's expanded customer outcomes. They started to use analytics to help the clients help clients and also maximize their clients value. This was happened what should be done by the clients in order to improve their value and improve their productivity and all are have been implemented. So for this, the General Electric started to give inputs to the clients about how they could do that their business and how they can generate the value out of it. All this will happen. So here now these are all the different models which are being used by the General Electrics in the different stages. Let us have connect with these models and the data collected by the company and the application by the General Electrics. Yes, let us have in the descriptive analytics. What they done as in this descriptive and diagnostic analytics, what they done is just they depend in the transaction model, they depend on the descriptive and diagnostic analytics alone. So minimum amount of data required by the company. Obviously, based on those data, they created the decisions. They made their decisions and they generated the value of the business. Then guaranteed performance were given by using the predictive analytics by the company, because preventive maintenance and all are given in 1990s to 2010. What they done is they think about the guaranteed performance. Obviously, not more predictive analytics, little bit predictive analytics are being used by the General Electric company to support their clients. Later stage, the company started to expand its outcome to its clients' value generation. So obviously, it depends on the prescriptive and artificial intelligence. So this plays a vital role. In the artificial intelligence is concerned, they used a software called predicts in order to estimate and make the prescriptive decisions. In the prescriptive analytics, all the valuable notable information and changes are given, recommendations are given by this software. Obviously, if they started to implement those suggestions, they can generate more value out of it. This is the way the GE climbing its analytics value escalator. So here, when descriptive and diagnostic analytics supports to make transaction model. Predictive analytics helps them to have an performance guarantee. Now they are using the prescriptive analytics by using the predict software, artificial intelligence software to helps the clients to maximize their value. So here they think more about their clients. So the amount of data required for making this analysis and the value generated out of this are really high, and the difficulty level is obviously high. With this, hope you understand about the different stages of a value escalator, how it related with the GE analytics and all. Yes, now and we will have a small knowledge check. Yes, which DAS is the AI product of GE? Yeah, predicts analytics. Okay, predict software are being used by the GE to support the clients to expand their outcomes to its clients. Yes. With this, we are going to conclude this session with the summary. In this session, we saw about how GE evaluation happened and how it is related to the the climbing analytics, especially with the descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, prescriptive, and artificial intelligence with the transaction model, performance guarantee, and expanded outcomes. Hope this session is useful for you. Thank you so much for your listening. Thank you.